Early Bird by Bonnie Camille has just arrived. So let's have a look at all these gorgeous prints in beautiful Bonnie and Camille. They never disappoint. This Early Bird line has brought back the birdies from Vintage Picnic, which is very cute. New little blender, which is got a 9 patch in it. That's kind of cute. That'd be a lovely patchwork quilt pattern. Another one of the beautiful florals. Good stripe. Beautiful floral. I love that small floral. It's very handy. Dot. Another handy basic as well. This one has a cute tulip in it. That's sweet. Okay, and then we go into the aqua colorways. Again, the birdies. That little 9 patch. The flowers. Aqua stripe. Double up of the aqua stripe. And the big main bold print. That's beautiful. Aqua dots. That small floral in the aqua as well. And then we go into the corals or the pinks. Beautiful little floral again. Lovely stripe with the red as well as the pink. That'll be handy. Beautiful big floral. The smaller floral. Very traditional Bonnie and Camille, but gosh, it looks so pretty. That might be a bit easier. There we can see them. I'm really liking that print with the 9 patch in it. That's sweet. Getting into the reds now. The red floral, red dot, the red big floral. Always so pretty, that one. Just the red and white 9 patch. Red with a white stripe. Oh, that's a sweet one too, with the small floral. Tone on tone dots. The multicolour stripe, this one was so popular. Gorgeous, it goes with all of the different colours. The little tulips again, with the white background. Oh, and that one's beautiful with the big floral print on a white background. And the little white birdies. And then we get into our greens with the 9 patch. The dot. Stripe. The floral with an aqua flower. That's kind of a bit different. That's lovely. And then into some greys with the beautiful big blue print. The 9 patch. Little tulip with the grey. Grey birdies. And then the little grey floral. Wow, that's lovely. Can see some beautiful Bonnie and Camille quilts being made out of that one. Which one's your favourite?